Hi everybody, it's Eddie here with Tylerandeddienc. We got a good one for you today. We're going to start doing action, movie, myth debunking. What we're going to do today is we're going to see if gas ignites when you throw a cigarette. I'm sure you've seen the movies, the Die Hard movies, the Con Air movies, where the action figure guy takes a cigarette, a lit cigarette, and throws it in some gas that's sitting on the ground and it explodes. Well, we're going to try to prove today if that happens or if the cigarette goes out. So right over here we got a little display set up, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to put gas on the table. We'll pour some gas on the table, and we're going to take a lit cigarette, and I'm going to walk by and I'm going to flick the cigarette in it, and we're going to see if it ignites. I don't think it will, but we will see. Alright, so let's get started. And alright, so I'm going to pour a little bit of gas on the table here and we're going to get started. There we go.
Yeah, that's good. That's a decent puddle. It is overflowing.
And
but we're gonna do it a little bit different. We're gonna
put some entertainment in it for you. Make it look. Just stay tuned. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Up here and drop it.
There. Big explosion.
Now you can see there's clearly gasoline on here. Okay.
The cigarette actually went out.
Put a little bit more gas on there. Alright, that's good. And then, now you can see the cigarette is lit. Show the cigarette lit still. Alright, you can see it's still smoking now. Hold on. And I would say that would be debunked, wouldn't you?
I'd say so. Now we're going to leave the cigarette. We're going to throw a fire on it. You can see the cigarette is still smoking. Okay? It's lit. I can pick it up and smoke it. It did not ignite. Now, we're going to prove that that's real gas by walking by and throwing a simulated match on it.
Yeah, because who has matches anymore?
Alright, so the cigarette did not ignite the gas like it does in the movies. Alright, so there you have it. Cigarette did not light the gas. We actually had to have an open flame to light the gas. And as it turns out, the cigarette does have the potential to light the gas. However, it does not have enough sustained heat to create the spark that it requires to ignite the gas. Because gas ignites between 500 and 540 degrees. The cigarette at its hottest is between 400 and 500, but only when it's being smoked. So if you're smoking the cigarette and you put it in the gas while you're smoking it, it could ignite it. But just to throw a cigarette, it doesn't work. So it makes it improbable that it will not ignite unless you have it very hot. So the reason they tell you not to smoke at the gas pump is because of the cigarette lighter. When you go to light the cigarette, that spark is what ignites the gas. So, and remember, it's not the liquid that's flammable. Liquid gas is not flammable. It's the vapor that's coming off the gas that ignites. And once that vapor ignites, it creates a hotter liquid and causes the liquid to vaporize even faster. And that's where you get the big rush of flame and the hot fires from the liquid boiling into a vapor, and the vapors is actually what's burning. So, there you have it. Another myth, another debunk. Enjoy.